Okay, so today we're going to replace the door handle on this 99 Toyota Corolla, and from my understanding I think this is good through from 1998 to the 2002 Corolla. Really shouldn't be that difficult. Now the nice thing about this is you don't have to take off the door skin, which is really awesome considering what kind of weather I'm dealing with. So yeah, this is the replacement handle. It's like $20 some, not much at all. This is what the old handle looks like. Here's the actual handle. I don't know where the other piece went, but it's something like similar to this here. This piece broke off first, and then we were able to still open the door using the handle, but finally this thing broke, probably from actually using it to open the door. Oh, here's the other piece. Yeah, something like this here. So the nice thing is this shouldn't be that hard to replace. The cable, I thought for sure might have fallen into the skin. I am going to turn this car on because it is a little cold, so please excuse the noise. My stupid aftermarket key doesn't want to work all the time. Anyway, I probably won't even have to have this door open. So the cable didn't fall in. It's actually right here. Yeah, I'm probably gonna have to open the door back up at some point. And the plastic thing that sticks into the handle, I gotta get that one off of there. I think we'll just have to pry it off from the backside because that's where it feels like the opening is. Because the new handle comes with that already, so we just have to snap that cable into that piece there, and then that's all it is. So the best part about this is we only need like 1 to maybe 2 tools to do this. So you need your Phillips screwdriver for the actual handle assembly, and mine you can turn it around, so this flat side is probably what I'll just need to do to pry the cable off. So let me start with getting the screw out first. Might need to open the door again because my hand's kind of crammed up against the steering wheel. Okay. I'll put it in this thing. Okay, well, we might need to pry it off the rest of the way from the feel of it. Oh, there we go. Alright, so the old handle is out. Let's see if I got a little bit. The blow motor is going to make noise, I apologize. So, alright, so the cable. Now I might need 2 hands for this part because I got to try to pry this off that cable. Alright. Actually, I ended up using my finger. So you pry the back side off it first, and then this part here just slides right down off of it. So, ta-da! I missed. Oh well. Cable is there. Alright, so I'll open up the package to the new one, and we'll start off by getting that thing hooked up, and then we'll push it into the door. Okay, so that's on there now. That took a little bit of wiggling because the cable really doesn't come out too far. So yeah, you kind of started off with bringing it in through the bottom and then turning it, that yellow piece, so that way I can snap it over the, you know, the straight piece. So it should be on there now. Now all we got to do is push this into place. Put that back in there. Might have to fiddle with it a little bit. So that goes to the back. There we go, we're getting it, I think. Yep. Alright, so that's in there. Now we just gotta screw it in. It's easier when you have your hand holding the door, so that way the door doesn't push away. All right. I think that's a success. The aftermarket handle color matches perfectly. The design around the outside on this particular one, there's like these little, you know, as you can see, the factory ones, they're more so smooth, but other than that, they look almost exactly identical, so it works so nice. Alright, so that's how you change your door handle on a 98 through 02 Corolla. That was actually pretty quick and painless. So, thanks for watching.